Good morning, children. Welcome to yet another session of Geography Class 10, and today we start a new chapter called Mineral Resources. So this is the session 1 of Mineral Resources. So children, take out your textbook and start following. We'll follow from the textbook, page 139, Mineral Resources. So minerals are natural substances of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. So minerals that we find, it can be both of organic origin or non-organic origin. Based on the chemical and physical properties, minerals are broadly classified as metallic or non-metallic. So minerals can be both. It can be either metallic minerals or non-metallic minerals. Now the metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are sources of metals like iron, copper, gold, etc. Metallic minerals are further categorized as ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. So in this chart below we can see that metallic minerals can further be classified as ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Now amongst the ferrous minerals are those which have iron content like iron ore, whereas non-ferrous minerals do not have iron content like copper, bauxite, etc. Non-metallic minerals are either organic in nature or inorganic. Till now it was the metallic minerals. Now for non-metallic minerals, they can either be organic or inorganic. Organic non-metallic minerals include fossil fuels or mineral fuels which are derived from the buried plants and animal life such as the coal, petroleum. The inorganic non-metallic minerals include mica, limestone, graphite. So in our syllabus, what do we have in this chapter? The ICSE syllabus, we have iron ore and manganese for metallic ferrous minerals, and we have in our syllabus also copper and bauxite as non-ferrous minerals. For non-metallic minerals, we have coal, petroleum, the organic ones. Inorganic, we have, I don't think we have mica in our syllabus, but we just neither graphite or limestones. So we don't have these inorganic minerals in our syllabus. Earlier we used to have limestone, but it is not there in the course now. So we are only studying iron ore, manganese, copper, bauxite, coal and petroleum. Okay, so before we move ahead, why the minerals have certain unique qualities? Now minerals are not evenly distributed over space. Minerals have inverse relationship. Okay, so before, when we say that minerals are not evenly distributed over space, that means you will not find all minerals equally distributed all over the country or all over the earth. Some places may have more minerals, some places may have less minerals, some places may be important for a particular mineral, whereas the other places might not have that mineral. So it is unevenly distributed. Minerals have inverse relationship in quality and quantity. So the quality and the quantity, they have inverse relationship. That is, good quality minerals are lesser in quantity than low quality minerals. All over you will find low quality minerals in abundance, but good quality minerals, they are lesser in quantity. Then third characteristic is that minerals are exhaustible over time. They take long time to develop geologically and cannot be replenished immediately when needed. Thus, they need to be conserved as they do not have the second crop. Okay, so we need to conserve our minerals also and not overexploit them. The economic development of a country is influenced by the availability of minerals. So, any country is economically developed on the basis of its minerals. Minerals form the base for several large-scale industries. So, several large-scale industries, their base is these minerals. Agriculture too is influenced by the availability of minerals in the form of fertilizers. So even the agricultural industry is influenced by the mineral resources because they are getting its fertilizers from these minerals. India has a rich variety of minerals due to its varied geological structure. Its mineral resources are of considerable importance by the world standards, ranking fairly high amongst the producers of iron ore, coal, mica and manganese. India also has extensive reserves of chromite, bauxite and limestone. So, India ranks quite high with iron ore, coal and mica, manganese, and also it has extensive reserves of chromite, bauxite and limestone. Now, we come to the first and the most important mineral, which is the iron ore. Iron ore is one of the most widely distributed minerals found in the earth's crust. So we have been blessed with a wide distribution of iron ore around the earth's crust. It forms the backbone of modern civilization and the foundation of our basic industry. So what do we mean when we say that it forms the backbone of the modern civilization? Because everything around is made up of iron. The very backbone of modern civilization depends on iron ore. The luxurious cars that we travel, every day whatever we are using, mostly each and everything, it has iron ore in it. So it is actually the foundation of the basic industry, the backbone of every industry, because with the help of iron ore, all other industries, it forms the basic raw material for all other industries. Our trucks, trains, cars, any sort of automobiles that we find on the road are all made from iron ore. India is fairly rich in iron deposits, and some amount of iron is found in particularly all parts of the country. India is the largest producer of iron in the Asian continent. Please, you may underline this, that India is the largest producer of iron in the Asian continent and is one of the largest iron producing countries in the world. Iron ore deposits in India occur as hill masses and are easily accessible. They are found in close proximity to the areas producing coal, dolomite, limestone and manganese. So where do we find iron ore reserves? Mostly in close proximity with other minerals also where they are found, like the coal, dolomite, limestone and manganese. Therefore, they are well utilized in several iron and steel plants. So the iron and steel plants are also located in such a place where all the raw material and all the minerals are easily available. In India, 3 varieties of iron ore are found. They are the hematite. Now the hematite is a reddish in color. I'll show you the picture. This is the picture of hematite. Reddish ore, also called the red ore. It contains 60 to 70% of iron and is found in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Okay, next is the magnetite. It is dark brown or blackish in color and is therefore called the black ore. It is the best quality iron and contains more than 70% of iron. So it's the best quality iron. Since it possesses magnetic property, it is called magnetite. This one, you may underline this. The magnetite possesses magnetic quality and it is called the magnetite. It is found in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The third one is limonite. It is yellow or light brown in color, contains 35 to 50% of iron, occurs in the ironstone group in the Raniganj coalfield. It is also found in Garhwal, that is Uttarakhand, Mirzapur district, UP, Kangra Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Now, what are the uses of iron? About 90% of the iron ore is used to make steel. So the steel that we are using, that is from the iron ore. Raw iron by itself is not as strong and hard as needed for construction and other purposes. So it is alloyed with other minerals. So raw iron, it is not strong and hard for construction or other purposes, so it needs to be alloyed with other elements to strengthen and harden it, making it useful for the construction, automobiles and other forms of transportation such as trucks, trains and train tracks. Then powdered iron is used for manufacturing metallurgy products, magnets, high frequency cores, auto parts and catalysts. Radioactive iron, that is iron is 59% in it, is used in medicine as a tracer element and biochemical and metallurgical research. Iron blue is used in paints, paint printing inks, plastics, cosmetics, artist colors, laundry blue, paper dyeing, fertilizer, ingredient, baked enamel finishing for auto appliances and industrial finishes. Black iron oxide is used as a pigment in polishing compound, metallurgy, medicine and magnetic inks. So you can have to learn some, you can underline some of them to learn the uses of iron ore. Now distribution. The main iron ore deposits in India, where it is found in India, this is also equally important. So some of the states which are important, now there are many states given, but you need to remember at least 2 districts from each state: Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, then Karnataka and Goa. Okay, next is the important areas, that is Chhattisgarh, and the important areas of Chhattisgarh would be Bailadila in Dantewada district, Durg district, you may underline this, In Jharkhand, you underline. It is found in Chidiya in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand. Singhbhum and Palamau are important districts. Please underline. Then in Odisha, you will find it in Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Sambalpur, Sundargarh, Cuttack, Koratpur. So whichever name you can remember, you may underline this wherever in Odisha it is found. Now in Karnataka, please underline Babu Budan Hills in Chikmagalur district, Bellary and Hospet. Then another Kundremukh in Chikmagalur district is important. Then Goa is also an important, very rich in iron ore. Okay, next we come to manganese. Manganese is black, hard, like metal, which occurs in the natural oxide. It is an important raw material for smelting of iron ore and also used for manufacturing ferroalloys. Uses of manganese, you may underline, children. The uses of manganese are as following. Manganese is used to make steel tough. This is the most important use of manganese. It is used to make steel tough. Then, therefore, it is used as important raw material for iron and steel industry. Manganese is used for the black enamel, chemical industries, bleaching powder and electric and glass industries. Underline. Manganese is used to form a number of important alloys. Underline. Used in dry cell batteries. Underline this. Then manganese is used to manufacture vital enzymes for the metabolism of fats and proteins. So manganese can also regulate blood sugar levels and support the immune system. Manganese is used in various vitamins such as K and B complex group, and it is vital in the average human body. Then manganese is essential for plant growth and it in the reduction of nitrates. Some amount of manganese is needed in humans and animals in the aids of many enzymes. As an excess of this element in plants and animals, it is toxic. So some of them, these you please underline, and for the uses of manganese you can write them, that it is used in the dry cell batteries, it is used as enzymes, it is used for various vitamins. You can write it is, and the most important, that it is used to make steel tough, and it is used in the chemical and the bleaching industry. All this is very, very important. Is that clear? And for the distribution of manganese, that manganese ore is found in India is of good quality and therefore is in great demand in the world. Now you can learn where it is found. So from Andhra Pradesh, it is found in Visakhapatnam, Telangana, Adilabad, Goa, Sangam. So any of the 2-3 places you learned for manganese. Now I am ending this session, and from here I will continue. Till then, thank you and stay safe.